Welcome to Being Financially. Secret to building wealth using a credit card without getting into debt. Yes, you heard that right. It's all about leveraging the power of business. Credit cards to your advantage. First, let's talk about what a business credit card actually is. Unlike personal credit cards, which are tied to your individual credit history and finances, business credit cards are specifically designed for business-related expenses. This means that using a business credit card responsibly won't impact your personal credit if done correctly. So, how can a business credit card help you build wealth? Well, for starters, many business credit cards offer generous rewards programs that can earn you cashback, points, or miles on your everyday business expenses. By maximizing these rewards, you can effectively reduce the cost of running your business and increase your overall cash flow. Additionally, business credit cards can help you manage your cash flow more efficiently. With a business credit card, you can make purchases now and pay for them later, giving you more flexibility with your finances. This can be especially useful for businesses with irregular income or seasonal fluctuations. But that's not all. Business credit cards also come with unique tax benefits that can help you save money come tax time. By using your business credit card for business expenses, you can easily track and categorize your transactions, making it easier to identify tax deductions and write-offs. Now let's look at a couple of examples of popular business credit cards that can help you on your journey to building wealth. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred Card offers a generous sign-up bonus, flexible reward redemption options, and strong travel benefits. On the other hand, the Amex Blue Business Plus card is great for businesses looking to earn rewards on everyday purchases with no annual fee. So if you're looking to take your financial game to the next level, consider adding a business credit card to your financial toolkit. With the right strategy and responsible use, you can harness the power of business credit cards to build wealth and achieve your financial goals. Welcome to the world of being financially savvy. It's time to start maximizing your money. Are you looking to build wealth for your business? There are several key ways to do so, using smart financial strategies that can help drive business growth and success. Here are some top ways to use financial tools to help build wealth for your business. Cash flow boost. Delaying payments can help free up working capital, giving you more flexibility to invest in growth opportunities, expand your operations, or simply have a cash cushion for any unexpected expenses. By carefully managing your payment schedules, you can optimize your cash flow and unlock the potential for greater financial returns. Credit building, building strong business. Credit is essential for securing loans and scaling your business. By consistently paying bills on time and managing your credit utilization, you can establish a solid credit history that will make it easier to access financing when needed. This is a crucial step in building wealth, as it allows your business to take advantage of growth opportunities that may require additional capital. Rewards points. Many financial tools offer rewards and points programs that can provide tangible benefits to your business. Whether it's through travel rewards, cashback incentives, or reinvestment opportunities, taking advantage of these perks can help maximize the value of your spending and contribute to a healthier bottom line. Tax benefits. Tracking business expenses and leveraging tax deductions can generate significant savings for your business, effectively boosting your wealth. By carefully managing your finances and taking advantage of all available tax benefits, you can minimize the amount of money going to the government and keep more of your hard-earned profits for reinvestment and growth. By leveraging these financial strategies, you can effectively build wealth for your business and set the stage for long-term success. Whether it's through optimizing cash flow, building credit, maximizing rewards, or minimizing tax liabilities, these tools can help drive growth and prosperity for your business. Take the time to explore these options and see how they can benefit your bottom line. Are you looking for smart strategies to manage your credit card like a pro? Look no further. Follow these expert tips to make the most out of your credit card and avoid common pitfalls. First and foremost, always pay your credit card balance in full every month. This will help you avoid falling into the interest trap and save you money in the long run. By staying on top of your payments, you can build a strong credit score and establish a good financial standing. Next, make sure to keep your personal and business expenses separate. Mixing the two can create confusion and make it challenging to track your spending. By keeping a clear divide between personal and business transactions, you can easily monitor your expenses and streamline your financial management. Utilize your credit card for recurring subscriptions, marketing expenses, and inventory purchases. By strategically using your card for these specific purposes, you can take advantage of rewards programs and cashback offers. Additionally, consider stacking rewards with referral bonuses or special promotions to maximize your benefits and increase your savings. To avoid common mistakes, refrain from carrying a balance on your credit card. This can lead to accumulating interest charges and put you in a financial bind. Also, be cautious of opening too many credit accounts at once, as this can result in account denials or downgrades. Lastly, make sure to track your expenses diligently to avoid missing out on potential tax deductions. By following these smart strategies and steering clear of common pitfalls, you can effectively manage your credit card and optimize its benefits. Stay proactive, stay organized, and make the most of your financial resources. Are you looking for the best business cards for 2025? Look no further. Grab our free guide below to discover the top picks for next year. With new trends and designs emerging in the world of business cards, you don't want to miss out on the latest and greatest options. Click on the link in the description to access our free guide and stay ahead of the game with your business card game in 2025. Whether you prefer sleek and modern designs or classic and elegant styles, our guide has something for everyone. Don't forget to like this video, comment with your favorite card from the guide, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and resources. Stay tuned for more updates on the best business cards for 2025. Link to free guide